Hey La Beauties, what is up? Welcome back to La Beauties World with your favorite curly girl here. Checking in with, of course, a Moisture Monday video. First of all, let's take care of business. If you guys are new to the channel, I want to tell you welcome and thank you for joining. I hope you like what you see. And the other part of the business is I need you guys to subscribe. Like, follow, subscribe to this channel if you're not already doing so we can be a big, beautiful family in this beautiful world we got going on. Today my hair, let me show y'all. Actually, I just washed my hair. And to me, it's feeling a little dry, guys. Like, I don't know if it's just the season. My hair is actually, I've been out of the shower for a good 30 minutes to an hour. So it's mainly dry from water, but I'm just saying it feels a little dry to me. So I wanted to use something that had all the moisture that I need and a little bit reparative type thing. So with that being said, do I have an eyelash? I literally have an eyelash right now, y'all. Jesus help me. But anyway, I wanted to use something that would hydrate my hair. And that's what led me to choose the deep conditioner that I'm going to review this week. And it is, can I get a drum roll? Jane Carter's Solution Love Your Hair Healthy Hair Revived and Repair Hair Mask. Don't that sound good? It's like heck. Yes. It's so cute. It has a flower on the front. I have never tried this brand before. This is brand spanking new. I haven't even opened it, but I'm excited to try this brand because I did do a little bit of review on it, research, and I heard a lot of good things. And this brand is actually, I heard that this brand was slept on. So hopefully it does some good things for me. In the directions, it says revive and repair hair mask with maracuja oil, coconut oil, deep conditioning, intensive treatment, restores shine, rehydrates, and repairs damaged hair. It tells you the directions, how to apply it. It says leave in for 5 to 20 minutes and then rinse out. I need some hydration in my hair this week, y'all, so I don't know. Oh, you know what it is? I haven't been drinking as much water this week. Like, I haven't been drinking water actually at all. I mean, I have been drinking water, but I've been mixing it with different like sodas and stuff, so maybe that's taking a toll. And why my hair just looks extra like just dry. Like, I don't know what's going on, but hopefully this hair mask will help. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And let's get to the rest of the video. Mwah. What's up, guys? So in this particular video, I decided to section my hair into 4 sections instead of the normal 2, just because my hair was super dry and it needed the extra attention. Now, this deep conditioner smelled so good, y'all, like freaking flowers or something. As always, I got my hot water, and if you are new to the channel, I use hot water in my water bottle just to open up the pores in my hair, so whatever I'm putting on my hair, whether it be leave-in conditioner, in this case it's deep conditioner, it could soak in the strands. It could soak in my hair strands and really get to the nitty-gritty, the inside of my hair. You have to nourish your hair from the inside out, and hot water just opens up those hair pores for you, and it just lets it soak right on in. Now, I don't normally have my hair, it gets tangled really, really easy. So I use water on top of the deep conditioner just to give me some extra slip to detangle my hair. Now, this amazing, yes, I am telling you ahead of time, this deep conditioner is amazing. It was super thick, and that's another reason why I had to just add a little bit more water before running my brush through my hair, just because the conditioner was super thick, super creamy, smelled amazing, and I wanted it to be slippery to detangle. But after I detangle, I do add, more conditioner, just to ensure that my hair is getting the nutrients that it needs from the conditioner. And it was at this moment I realized that I made the right decision with my deep conditioner. This stuff was great, you guys. It was great. I really love the smell. The smell is just amazing to me. I like clean, okay, let's not. I like clean, flowery kind of smells, and this one just was super yummy to me. Super duper yummy. So once I have the conditioner applied all over my head, I put my shower cap on just to keep the heat. Once again, heat opens up your pores, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. In total, I used a good bit. I forgot to show you guys, but this is how much I used of the conditioner. Next are the results. So here are the results, guys. I love this stuff. Do you see the shine on my hair? Do you see the curl definition with nothing, absolutely nothing on my hair? This is just right after rinsing it out in the sink. It was pretty cool. I really liked it. The smell was my favorite part about it, honestly. My hair still smelled amazing. I hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. Wash your hands for at least a minute with soap. Stay away from that Rona, y'all. I love you guys. I pray you have a nice weekend. Bye.